everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn about digraphs. Okay, what is this digraphs? Digraph is a simple term that is used in phonics. It is often used in phonics. In the first stage of phonics is singular phonics. For all the letters, they will learn the sounds. All the 26 letters, they will learn the sounds. Vowel separate sounds, consonant separate sounds. After learning all these sounds, the children will be getting into 4-letter words. Once if they are familiar with singular phonics, they can able to read 3-letter words, at times some 4-letter words. The next stage of phonics is digraphs. Okay, let me learn what is digraphs now. Digraph is 2 letters that make one single sound. A digraph is 2 letters that make one sound. The digraph can be made up of vowels or consonants. So it clearly states that 2 letters makes one sound is called digraph. The di means 2. Digraph. That's it. Types of digraphs. There are 2 different types of digraphs. One is heterogeneous digraph and another one is homogeneous digraph. Heterogeneous is 2 different letters that makes one sound. Example, chat and which. So C and H makes one sound ch. S and H makes one sound sh. Homogeneous digraph. In this, 2 instances of same letters. It referred as double letter digraphs. So 2 instant of same letter, 2 letters will make one sound. The same letter will come twice and it will make one sound. Example, ball and food. So here double L is there, it makes only one sound, ball. And double O is there, it makes only one sound, oo, food. In this video, we will be learning only the heterogeneous digraph. This double L letters have some other different rules. I will teach that in next class. Let me get into the heterogeneous digraphs. Consonant digraphs are group of 2 consonants that make a single sound. As I said, 2 consonants going to make single sound. Vowel digraphs are called diphthongs. Okay, let me see some examples of consonant digraphs. It as in chat. C and H makes one sound, which as in chat, chips, chin, cheeks, etc. Ish as in ship. S and H makes only one sound. It is ship. Sh, ip, ship. L, shell. Tr, ash, trash. So these are some example for sh sound words. Now it. It as in thick, thin, teeth, mouth. Okay, all these sounds have it sound and there are 2 letters, T and H. So T and H makes one single sound and it is called consonant digraphs. Now WH as in what, when, why, whale, etc. PH as in phone, photo. Uk as in sock. C and K makes only one sound. What is that? Sock. Rack, pack. These are few examples of consonant digraphs. Let me learn the diphthongs, and as I said, there are 2 different types of digraphs. One is heterogeneous and homogeneous. Now we learned heterogeneous digraphs. In the next video, we can learn about homogeneous digraph. Thank you.